how to enable or disable SIM data roaming on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, you'll have to do on your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. In mobile network, select the SIM you want to enable or disable the data roaming. And okay, for example, I enable or disable on SIM 1. Here in SIM 1, you can see the data roaming. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the data roaming, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up bars, okay, turn on data roaming may incur roaming charge. So you can turn on by tap the turn on button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or turn on the data roaming on SIM 1. And if you want to disable or turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled SIM data roaming on OPPO Reno 7 5G.